Okay guys, this is actually crazy. A brand new AI model called MiniMax H3 just dropped, and people online are losing their minds over it. Some users are even calling it the first truly open source AI video model that can compete with the biggest names in the industry. But here's the thing, this isn't just another text-to-video generator. People are saying that MiniMax H3 can do way more than create cinematic clips. It can understand images, generate videos with sound, and even handle multiple tasks at the same time. Some developers think this could be a huge step toward AI systems that understand what's happening on your screen and interact with computers more naturally. Now, not everyone is convinced. A lot of users are impressed, but others say we're still in the early stages, and that some of these features need more testing in the real world. Still, the demos have people seriously hyped. Users who tested the model say it does an incredible job recreating details in images and producing realistic voices. Some creators are already saying it's one of the most exciting AI releases they've seen this year. But of course, it's not perfect. Some people think the videos still look a little too smooth or artificial, while others point out that generating high-quality clips requires a powerful computer and can take a long time. There's also debate about whether the model is truly open source and what that actually means for developers and creators. Either way, one thing is clear: AI video technology is moving insanely fast. Just a few years ago, generating realistic video with synchronized audio sounded impossible. Now, tools like MiniMax H3 are pushing the limits of what's possible. So, what do you think? Is this the future of AI video, or is the hype getting out of control? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates.